There you go, bud, go. We've released the hound, and look at him slowly trot away. Hey, come on. Gotta stay away from the road, buddy. Go in the pit. Come. Run around out here. Oh, he's on something. Set of tracks running over that way. Another big set running down here. Something ran. He's running pretty fucking hard. Looks like dog tracks almost. Huh, they stopped right up here. Oh yeah, yeah, look at the points on those. That's a good sized dog track. Coyotes out here everywhere. Toad, come bud. Such a pretty animal. Good boy. Good boy. All right, man, let's have some fun.